Alliance accuses opposition of betrayal. In preparation for the upcoming 2024 Jharkhand Assembly elections, BJP leader and Minister of State for Defence Sanjay Seth launched a fierce criticism against the India Alliance, alleging corruption and manipulation among opposition members. Seth asserted that Prime Minister Modi's mission to curb corruption has unsettled leaders in the India bloc, especially in Jharkhand. He emphasized that seat conflicts within the India Alliance highlight a lack of unity, contrasting it with the BJP's focus campaign. Seth further claimed the current Hemant Soren-led government, allied with Congress, has deceived the people, creating a growing demand for change. With a strategic focus on transparency and high-profile campaigners like PM Modi, BJP President JP Nadda and Rajnath Singh, the BJP aims to win 68 out of 81 seats. Election will take place on November 13 and 20, with results expected on November 23. MS Dhoni joins Election Commission for voter awareness. In a bid to increase voter turnout, the Election Commission of India has appointed former cricketer captain MS Dhoni as the face of their voter awareness campaign for the 2024 Jharkhand Assembly elections. Dhoni will participate in the Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation (SVEEP) initiative, encouraging citizens to vote. Chief Electoral Officer K. Ravi Kumar announced that Dhoni will appear in awareness campaigns, leveraging his influence to inspire greater voter participation. The campaign, with Dhoni at its forefront, is designed to boost turnout and promote civic responsibility. The Electoral Office believes that his popularity will help drive voter engagement, especially among the younger demographic. With the candidate withdrawal deadline on October 30 and nominations starting October 28, the focus on voter engagement aims to create a fair and comprehensive electoral process. BJP unveils 40-star campaigners for Jharkhand Assembly. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has unveiled a team of 40-star campaigners to strengthen its effort in the upcoming 2024 Jharkhand Assembly elections. Key figures include Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President JP Nadda, and senior leaders like Rajnath Singh and Amit Shah and Nitin Gadkari. The lineup combines national influence with local representation, including leaders such as Babulal Marandi and Arjun Munda from Jharkhand, to ensure a diverse approach. Involving politicians from neighbouring states like West Bengal's Suvendu Adhikari further signals BJP's strategy to broaden support across state lines. As the India Alliance faces alleged internal conflicts, BJP's well-planned campaign intends to capture a significant number of assembly seats. The deployment of these high-profile leaders underlines BJP's commitment to securing a prominent position in Jharkhand. Former Bihar Minister to contest independently challenges JDU. In a major political development, former JDU Minister Khurshid Alam has announced he will contest the 2025 Bihar Assembly elections as an independent candidate, presenting a challenge for Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's coalition. Alam, a respected minority leader, declared his decision at a rally in Bettiah, where he reaffirmed his respect for CM Kumar but insisted on his independence. His move adds pressure on JDU and the NDA coalition, especially in the Sikta constituency, where Alam has a strong following. Supporters showed their appreciation by honoring him with a symbolic 98-kilogram offering of traditional sweets. Alam's independent candidacy reflects possible factional strife within Bihar's political scene and indicates potential further defections from established parties. Bihar CM celebrates 55th anniversary of Peace Pagoda. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar recently attended the 55th anniversary celebration of the World Peace Pagoda in Rajgir, underscoring the monument's importance as a symbol of peace and unity. Built under the guidance of Japanese monk Fuji Guruji in 1969, the pagoda has attracted dignitaries from around the world. CM Kumar inaugurated new developments at the site, including an integrated building, and highlighted efforts to boost Bihar's Buddhist heritage by beautifying Venuvan and erecting a 50-foot Buddha statue at Ghorkatora. He praised the attendance of international guests, strengthening cultural ties between India and Japan. The Bihar government's dedication to preserving Buddhist landmarks helps position the state as a spiritual destination rooted in both peace and historical significance.